Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and every one. Big up and respect. Alright, my people. So, I got information that veteran dancehall artist who goes by the name of Mad Cabra was arrested by deputies in Florence County. Now, I saw a post on a social media page or an account, as some person might say, for the Florence County Sheriff's Office / South Carolina about this whole situation involving Mad Cabra viewers and subscribers. And let me read some of the words from the post that I saw. See? So some of the words from the post that I saw said, deputies gained reasonable suspicion of criminal activity and requested consent to conduct a consensual search of Mr. Brown's vehicle. That's Mad Cabra. And during the search, the number 2 kilos of cocaine were located along with a Beretta 9mm pistol. So the post have more words that said that Brown is being held at the Florence County Detention Center, viewers and subscribers. Let me say, and there are more words in the post as well to viewers and subscribers. You understand me? So that's the information we get. Alright, my people, so I have videos I'm going to present to you. Alright, and first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show nails that have been put in pieces of boards of viewers and subscribers, and those pieces of boards with nails in them was along what some people might call sidewalk and some people might call along a type of roadway somewhere out there in the world. Now, one of the reasons why I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the situation that I see in the video, in my point of view, can be considered as dangerous to the public. To put nails in boards and then put it down at where people walk, that's considered as dangerous, my people. So I want to take a look at this video and tell me what to think about this situation. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe with me, my people, and listen what somebody has said in the video. Listen to some words that a person said in this video.
There's a wickedness if somebody walk here, buddy. If somebody walk here. Watch what this lady doing is selling it and put a nail wood. If somebody for come and walk on this wood there, watch what going on here. Big nail stick up. And she wouldn't move it. This is right at Brick Dam. Find out what you learn back when somebody what
that right there, so a total madness that. You see me I say? Yeah, that's a total madness, yo. Like, why would somebody even do something like that? You know how dangerous that is, man? Nails in pieces of boards are what some people might call that, and dip on the sidewalk or by a roadway or whatsoever, you know, at certain place where people walk. That not right, my people. So I say, if someone try to stop people from go at a certain spot, that's not the way to do it. You see me I say, I better you draw some form of yellow tape or something, or do something for bar people from going at a certain spot or support. But that, no man, that dangerous. That's not right. That's not supposed to happen. Now I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media that shows some things that happened after a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone hit or scraped a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone. So in these pieces of videos, you can hear two persons saying certain words to each other. I would like you to look at this video and tell me, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this? Whether you're the person whose motor vehicle had been hit by a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone, or if you're the person who was driving a motor vehicle that hit someone's motor vehicle. Alright? Tell me what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this from either angles. You understand? Anyways, viewer discretion might be advised for this video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself, my people.
For my life, when you bounce my car, I am in my lane, sir.
Look, you need an accident. You need to use the documents. Look, my documents here. Where's your documents?
Give me a document, sir.
You are police.
You want to get away. You want to get away.
That's the document.
Somebody open the car thing, then give me the document. Okay, let me ask you, what documents has to do with this? You bounced my vehicle.
Because if you vehicle...
Look at my vehicle there. Look at my vehicle right there. And you coming from there and jam my vehicle. You knocked me in my lane, sir.
Yeah, show me the documents for your vehicle.
What documents have to do with you bouncing me on my vehicle?
Yeah, show me documents when we go to the station.
The police have to ask you for documents, sir.
Well, you gotta show me your documents with the vehicle. Yeah, show me
You want to see document? No,
your license, buddy.
yeah, and the next plastic
Me
one.
rolling, buddy. So when you live in? So you want to deal with the matter?
Do not take advantage of me because I'm a woman, you
You
know.
want the police deal with the matter?
Look, my documents is here.
I say you want the police deal with the
Yes, I
matter.
want the police to deal with the matter,
So
sir.
who you want to deal with the matter?
I have my license, I have my documents.
So
Here you
who,
go,
who
sir.
you want to deal with the matter?
What more you want from me, sir? I am in the lane, I'm vegetating where I am, sir.
Well, go on.
Right? Look at where you bounced me. I am in my lane, right? You check my documents. So the police to be checking my documents. You're supposed to be asking me how much of my bumper, sir.
You can check me on
You're supposed to be asking me how much to make my bumper. Not my document.
document. Check each other document. I show the two vehicles they show and fit to be on the road, sir. Exactly, buddy. Meets taking you there.
Hold on, people, but me I think about this. You see me I say, in a situation like this,
This is expired.
Hello, it's not expired. I have a next one.
I think
None of my
in my
papers
point of
have
view, still,
expired,
we think
sir.
it would have better police and
Because I
investigation
dealt
like
with
this.
this before
This is what
again.
one.
I responsible to me for don't fix it.
I got paid to go. Where you got to go look at?
15,000 to pay back the bumper, sir. That is the price. If you go anybody in Guyana, that is the price. Are you going to pay me my money,
Yes,
yes
I'm
or
going to
no?
pay you. So where you give me a phone number?
I don't want a phone number. Either you pay me cash or we are going to drive to the station.
So we have cash to pay now. We got to deal with the matter, man. Hold this.
Are you going to pay me, sir? Because I'm zooming your car right now.
Let's go. So what we do? Where you living now? So we go and look
Listen to
at
me, sir.
I have the body work man. Tell me how much you look after the dog.
I know it's 15,000 to do back a
So it's
bumper.
where we going?
Right? Did you give me back all my documents, sir?
Yeah. Where we living? Check,
Did you give me back all my documents, sir?
check your documents. Huh? Sit down, let me try this. I check your license. Sit down. Yes,
Listen to me. If
documents
anything,
and
me
everything.
jam you, let me cool. Let me cool.
What tell you, man?
Right? Let me
You
cool.
didn't ask about
If
it.
me jam you up, me got 15,000 for me what I can you.
Listen.
Because it's 15,000 for do back from bumper.
Rowing. You're rowing, man.
Right?
You're rowing.
Your paint is on my car.
Good, good. Right? Good. Me tell you, me a deal with it, right? So,
What's my
this
car
is the body work
document
man
there
there.
for?
Over your body work man.
My body work man is in I-Flex, sir.
What still over you there?
Yes, sir.
Alright, what down? But collect me number. Call me.
Me
Call me
cannot
sharp.
do that. No,
So
no,
now
no.
collect me
Listen
number.
to me.
So now
Listen to
give me
me.
number.
I know how this
Listen,
place over
the meaning
here.
that
Once
this
you
money on the
X
rest-
number, listen
So
to
we
me.
do now. Me
Listen
guys
to
money
me.
for me now. What do we do?
Just listen to me.
I will have this money for me because of this. So what
We
do
need to go to the station and make a report so the police will be involved in this.
Yeah?
Because when me take your number, sir, you're not going to answer your phone to fix back my bumper. It happens to me before.
Shucks.
Yeah, this thing's on.
Come
They
over.
can't tell, can't do.
Walk away, so you just go. That walk where they look away. Hold on.
$15,000. Listen to me. You know it's $15,000 for do back and spray
I
back.
give it
for
$10,000.
more.
Right?
Right?
And you see, it's only paid. Anyway, man, the paint, you paint on the back.
Listen to me. That paint not going to come back. My paint is very, very unusual. You could see that, sir. You could see my paint is very unusual.
I'm going to give it $10,000 for you.
And let me, so me must put $5,000. Look at
That
it.
man is an accident now. You got to kill him, get too, buddy. You're in the middle of too, buddy.
I'm not in the middle, sir. I'm in my lane.
You don't roll, man.
Just be fair here. Listen to me. If I did knock your car, sir, all we is drivers. All we is drivers. It can happen to anybody. If me even knock you car, listen to me. If me even knock you car and you know $15,000 for do back your bumper, sir, I would have hand you my money because I know I am wrong. Right? I know I am wrong. I will give you your money and I go on my way.
You see, are you acting like if I am denying or I'm running from the thing?
But it looked like you was.
How?
You was.
How? I tell you, police be coming. I tell you, come in.
I don't know if you want to drive away. I don't know if you want to drive away.
You ain't trust me.
I don't know if you want to drive away.
See if you trust me.
My phone has space and I will video this whole conversation where we are having here. And I'm on video right now.
That doesn't matter because I give it as a criminal.
I'm not saying that, sir. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying, let me put it the other way around. If I hit your vehicle, it could happen to anybody, love. Anybody can happen, right? If I hit your car and I know I'm wrong.
Back and forth on this, man. We're not going to move. We're only back and forth on this. Let's come back in front of you. We're only back and forth. This is not going to move. I agree to pay for your bumper. Fine, use that body. You say $50,000.
But you want me to ask? You want me to call my straightener and painter right now?
But if he could see the damages, can he see the damages to make a determination?
I just did back that bumper, sir. Just.
I got to do the whole bumper. It's a spot spray. Let's show you. I got to do spray, man. Spray I will do for 5,000. When you got to spray, man, you do it. I can't go to you.
I cannot. I'm walking.
But this is thing I'm trying to tell you.
Alright, sir. Alright, listen to me.
So you
Last problem. Give me the $10,000. I'm gonna do.
I got to show you.
He can't do it.
I am not doing that,
Right,
sir.
up to you. What you want to do. It's not about the way you
I am not
It's what
doing
I
that,
have.
sir.
Like I
Give me my
come out from the
$10,000.
road.
I'm gonna put the 5 and I'm gonna do it.
I
For less problem.
I come out from the road. Like, hey, I walk this morning.
I am not taking no $5,000 from you, sir.
He can't
Tomorrow
do
you
it.
can-
I
You hear
am not
that?
taking no
Well,
back from you, sir. I am living, I'm working. I cannot come up from the road in the morning again to come and meet you for $5,000. When I don't know where I can find you.
I don't wish wherever you there I come. Wherever you there I come and give you 5,000. Simple as that. Right? Wherever you
I
there,
am not doing
wherever
this, sir.
there,
You say you're
come.
gonna give me $10,000.
Good.
Give me the $10,000 and let me drive my car and go my way.
Here's what I have presently. So
You see
what
why
you
me
gonna
leave the car?
So what you gonna do?
Because you look like the
So what
police
you
have to
gonna
come
do?
in the matter and let the police know where
what
you
you gonna
bounce
do?
me
Watch
from.
it now. Watch
Because
what
look,
going
my
on, people.
paint is on your car, which side you bounce me from.
Anyway, you got my information?
Hello, sir. You're not getting it. You're more. Look at my Facebook, you scum. Look up on this.
You see that? Me hear 15,000, then me hear 10,000, and then me hear 5,000. See me I say? In my point of view, it's best to let police handle certain situations. Situation like that now, my people. You see what happened a while ago? I really and truly hope that everything work out okay between those persons. As I say, but that when me see happen this a while ago, look away, my people. You look away. See, so tell me, what would you do if you find let me repeat, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation as a motorist where one motorist maybe accidentally hit your motor vehicle? Would you let police get some form of understanding about the situation, or would you try to work it out with the person? See? Yeah, let me know what you think, my people. I hope you understand what I say. Yes, I left it now, so big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.